Hello everyone. Today I will discuss chapter 2 microorganism friend and foe. You have seen several kinds of the plants and animal, okay? And however there are the other living organisms around us which we normally cannot see. These are called a microorganism or microbes. For example, you might have observed that during the rainy season moist bread gets spoiled and its surface gets covered with the grayish white patches. Observe that patches through a magnifying glass. You will see tiny black rounded pictures. Do you know what this structure and where do this come from? Let us discuss about four major groups of the microorganisms. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and some algae. Some of these common microorganisms are shown in this picture. Viruses are also microscopic but are different from other microorganisms. You know that the viruses are different from organisms. The second part is where do the microorganisms live? Microorganisms may be the single cell like bacteria, some algae and the protozoa are multicellular such as many algae and the fungi. They live in all types of the environment. You know that the other living in all types of the environment ranging from the ice cold climate to the hot springs and deserts to marshy land. They are also found inside the bodies of the animals including humans. Let's discuss about the friendly microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for the various purposes. They are used in the preparation of the curd, bread and the cake. Microorganisms have been seen used for the production of the alcohol since ages. You know the microorganisms have been used the production of the alcohol and since ages. Let's discuss about the soil fertility. They are also used in a cleaning up of the environment. For example, the organic waste, vegetable peels, remain of the animals, faces, etc. are broken down into the harmless and the usable substance by the bacteria. Recall that the bacteria are also used in the preparation of the medicine. In agriculture, they are used to increase soil fertility by fixing nitrogen. Making of the curd and bread. Curd contains several microorganisms. Of these, the bacteria Lactobacillus promotes the formation of the curd. It multiplies in a milk and convert it into the curd. Bacteria are also involved in the making of the cheese, pickles, and many other food items. An important ingredient of the rava, idlis, and the bhaturas is the curd. Can you guess why? Bacteria and the yeast are also helpful in the fermentation of the rice idlis and the dosa batter. You know that first part is complete on this chapter and the second part videos is uploaded in coming soon. Please see the second part and the first part is completed and you will
Oh